Hello friends, this is Manisha Tomar and I'm here with another NEET previous exam papers of chemistry. Here, the next question is the number of angular nodes and radicals nodes in 3s orbitals are. Options are 0 and 1 respectively, 0 and 2 respectively, 1 and 0 respectively, and 3 and 0 respectively. So your answer will be 0 and 2 respectively, means when number of radicals nodes n minus 1 minus 1. So number of n minus l minus 1, number of angular nodes equals to l. For 3s orbital, number of radical nodes 3 minus 0 minus 1 is equal to 2. So and for number of angular nodes it will be 0. So your answer will be second. Next question, which of the following statements is correct about bakelite? Bakelite is a thermosetting polymer which contains branched and not only branched cross-linked structure, network structure. So its answer also 2. Bakelite has cross-linked structure and it is a polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. First we find the Kevlar and finally we find the bakelite, which is a thermosetting polymer. Next, among the following compounds shown below the revealed a linear structure: N2O, NO2, HOCl and ozone. So N2O has linear structure here because in N2 nitrogen is in +1 oxidation state, and it will also show the resonance. NO2 has the band structure, HOCl also has a band structure, and ozone also has the band structure. The reaction of concentrated sulfuric acid with carbohydrates यानी कि sugar, this is sucrose, is an example of. This is example of dehydration when sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent when it reacts with sugars. Concentrated sulfuric acid reacts as a dehydrating reagent. Next question, which of the following compound is most reactive in electrophilic aromatic substitution? Phenol is here, chlorobenzene, nitrobenzene and benzene. So answer will be phenol because greater is the electron density on the benzene and greater is the reactivity towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. ऑर्डर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्सटीट्यूशन इज़ फिनॉल सबसे ज़्यादा होगा और बेंजीन उससे कम, क्लोरोबेंजीन देन नाइट्रोबेंजीन, बिकॉज फिनॉल में OH ग्रुप इज़ द प्लस रिंग इज शोइंग प्लस R इफेक्ट, वाइल क्लोरोबेंजीन में -I एंड -R. In a typical fuel cell, the reactant R and product P is reactant is H2 and product will be H2O. So H2O and reactant will be H2 and O2 and product will be water. This is the cell reaction when hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combine, they form water. Identify wrong pair of electrons. NH3 ट्राइगोनल नहीं pyramidal होता है इसका स्ट्रक्चर. PCl5 ट्राइगोनल पेंटागोनल होता है, बाईपिरामिडल होता है. SF6 ऑक्टाहेड्रल होता है एंड BeCl6. यहाँ पे रॉन्ग मैच पूछा है तो सारे ट्रिगनल बाईपिरामिडल PCl5 ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर ये रॉन्ग है, सेकंड वाला आंसर. These are the some questions of NEET. Thank you so much for watching this video.